A recipe that canneries keep secret. How to make pickled cucumbers. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Did you know, if not stored properly, cucumbers can easily become wilted, waterlogged, and lose their crispness in just a few days? What a waste! But don't worry. Today I'm going to share with you a super simple yet surprisingly effective method. Keeping cucumbers fresh and crisp like they were just picked all year long. After more than 10 years of experimenting with many preservation methods, I finally found a simple secret that requires no preservatives or fancy equipment, but still retains the fresh, crunchy, and naturally sweet flavor of cucumbers. With just a few familiar ingredients and a little care, you will have delicious jars of cucumbers ready for any dish all year round. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Cucumber, 2 kilograms, 1 kilogram per jar. Rinse under running water. Make sure the cucumbers are picked fresh. Clean, dry glass jar, 1 liter. Cabbage. Bay leaves. Add the same to the next jar. Parsley. Parsley gives a wonderful aroma. Garlic, 3 to 4 cloves per jar. Onion. Carrot. Hot peppers, 2 pieces. Cut off both ends of the cucumber. Put the melons into 2 glass jars. Add dill to 2 jars. Pour boiling water in. Close the lid. Leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pour the water into a glass bowl. We don't need this water. Black pepper. Sugar, 2 tablespoons per jar. Coarse salt, 2 tablespoons per jar. Vinegar, 70%, 1 teaspoon per jar. Hot water. Close the jar tightly. Let cool 20 to 24 hours. We can store it in a cool place for 2 years. The lid of the jar must be tightly closed. Do not let air in. Storage conditions must be correct. In hot climates, most houses underground have a cool cellar below. We store there. If these rules are not followed, the product may be damaged. Method 2. Coat with vegetable oil. Put the cucumbers in a basin of clean water. Wash the cucumbers, take them out and drain. Then dry them thoroughly with a clean towel. Put a little oil in a small bowl. Use a small brush, clean hands, or a soft paper towel soaked in oil and gently coat a thin layer over the entire cucumber EI. The vegetable oil creates a thin barrier on the cucumber rind, helping to limit the escape of water vapor, preventing air and bacteria from coming into direct contact with the cucumber rind, slowing down the wilting, softening, and rotting process. You don't need a lot of oil, just create a thin layer that covers it. After coating with oil, arrange the cucumbers in a plastic box lined with paper towels or put them in a zip bag. Do not stack too many to avoid squeezing the cucumbers, which can easily scratch the rind. Place the box in the refrigerator away from the cold wall behind. Cucumbers coated with oil can stay fresh and crispy for 8 to 10 days, depending on the temperature and initial freshness. Before eating or cooking, wash with warm water or diluted salt water to remove the oil layer on the shell. Method 3. Freeze cucumbers. Place cucumbers in a basin of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the basin. Stir well to dissolve the salt. Soak the cucumbers in diluted salt water for 5 minutes to lightly disinfect. Dry completely. Cut the cucumbers into thin slices or dice, depending on the intended use. Arrange the cut cucumbers evenly on a tray lined with plastic wrap. Do not let them stick together. Put in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours until the cucumber pieces are frozen. This helps prevent sticking together when frozen for a long time. After freezing, take the cucumbers out and put them in a Ziploc bag. place in the freezer, temperature -18 degrees Celsius or lower. Frozen cucumbers are best used within 1 to 2 months. They can be kept longer, but the longer they are left, the more they will lose their natural flavor. No need to defrost if used for smoothies or cooking. If you need to defrost, leave in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Do not soak directly in water. How to make frozen cucumber dishes. Wash 2 cucumbers under running water to remove dirt and chemicals. After washing and drying, wrap each cucumber with plastic wrap. Put them in the freezer until the cucumbers are completely frozen. Remove the cucumbers from the refrigerator. Cut off both ends, peel. Slice the cucumbers into thick slices, about 0.5 to 1 centimeter. Put the cucumber slices in a large bowl. Take 2 slices of cucumber, place them on the eyes for about 5 to 10 minutes. Putting cucumbers on the eyes has the effect of soothing and reducing puffiness. Instantly cools and relaxes tired skin. Prepare the rest to eat. Sprinkle a little salt on the cucumber slices in the bowl. Mix well and let stand for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the cucumber release its juice. Rinse the cucumber again with water to remove excess salt. Pour out all the excess water. Use your hands to squeeze the cucumber slices to remove excess water inside. Remove the cucumber onto a plate. Sprinkle a little salt, pepper, and roasted sesame seeds. Mix well one last time. The frozen cucumber after processing has a refreshing, crunchy, slightly spicy taste. Very delicious. Today's video ends here. Do you know any other recipes? Leave a comment and let me know. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like and follow me. I will share more good content every day. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.